Hi guys, hello. We are back again. Back for the second Sudoku, a four-star Sudoku in today's additional of Monday, October the 12th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku is a four-star Sudoku, and this will be number 1741. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. I have already counted, so you can check if this is correct. So let's get started. Um, hmm. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in one of those two boxes, in the middle a row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number 5 in this big square? We have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 5 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in a row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated one box with the 8. So the one box left for the 8 should be there. So we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit and number 1. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. One box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark them because it's a pair. How about the number 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. So 2 should be here. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And then cannot continue with the 2. How about the 6 in the last column? 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now. 6 in this column, 6 in the last, third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2, alright. Alright. How about the number? These 2 numbers in the third row, the missing numbers in the third row are the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. Yeah. How about Yeah. I'm thinking. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see in one of those 2 boxes a 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. And look, we have a 4 already in this column, so no 4 in this box. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Let me mark them for you. 1 and 9. It's a pair. It's a pair. That means 1 box left in the first row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Those 2 boxes appear in this big square, also 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. Look, we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the column, in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this big square, also the 1 and the 9, it's up here. 1 and a 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column, so the middle column. The only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row, the numbers 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. And look, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this last column for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. And then 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this middle row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 in the middle row is in this box 9. The other 2 numbers in this row, the middle row, are for the 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 1 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We have a 7 here, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. 1 box left in the third column for the number 4. Yes, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Yes. Yes. Faster than the 3 Stars Sudoku. Yes. This one I've made in 22 minutes and this one in 14 minutes. I cannot believe this. This cannot be a 4-star Sudoku. No. No. A 4-star Sudoku, I need more than 30 minutes. Alright. So, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the other 2 Sudokus, a binary and a tectonic. See you later. Bye bye for now.